Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by wiring the library into your app and creating the host composable. First, add the M3 Expressive dependency and enable Material 3 in your theme. Then, initialize a composable host that uses Material Theme for M3 Expressive components. Once done, create a simple scaffold and place a placeholder expressive widget. This confirms the theme and dependency are active. Make sure to use dynamic color when testing on Android 12 Plus, and verify the preview reflects M3 expressive styling. Now you configure the expressive widgets with concrete properties so they behave and feel correct. You pick the widget family, chips, expressive buttons, toggles, and set tonal elevation, shape, and motion timing values. This controls appearance and layering. Next, bind UI state using remember and remember savable for persistence, and pass clear on click or on toggle callbacks. As you wire handlers, test animations at runtime to confirm timing and crossfade transitions. This is where expressive design becomes tactile and readable for users. Finish by polishing interactions and validating accessibility. You test widgets under dark and light themes, different font scales, and reduced motion to ensure legibility and comfort. Then profile recompositions and animation costs, and optimize by hoisting state and using derived state of where needed. Once integrated, run end-to-end scenarios and user flows to catch edge cases. If something fails, first inspect theme overrides and dependency versions. Then check state leaks or missing remember blocks. That usually resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.